monster truck, movie truck. A driver actually sits in here, and we're gonna have participants in the truck thinking that they're driving.
Yeah.
But that's where I'm gonna take over and drive the truck. They're gonna be freaked out.
Always wanted to drive a monster truck. Let's do it.
Oh my God!
Oh, I can't steer this thing!
Supposed to take over all by itself?
Oh my gosh! Wait, I think something's wrong! That was awesome!
I thought I was gonna have a heart attack. Who's driving that?
Not me. Can I go again? That's what I'm talking about! Let's go!
The monster is in the trunk.
When you first left, couldn't make it through 1 hour without thinking of you. Hated giving you that power, but as time went on, I kept getting that much stronger. Now I can't go without a tear for half a day or longer. Guess some you win and some you lose, and some just leave you lonely and confused. But now it only hurts at night when I'm lying alone in the darkness, wondering why you were so heartless. Now I've gone on with my
Action Park, this place in New Jersey. It is the most dangerous theme park of all time, hands down. The producer on this film sent me the documentary. Walk it off!
Well, the original Action Park, you can't believe it's real, but it's real. It was real.
We'll let 7 parks be about what you can't do. Action Point is going to be about what you can do.
Yeah!
So what are you going to do?
We're going to take the brakes off this place. The owner, he's like, I don't want to bum the kids out with a bunch of rules. Let's just leave it up to them. We let them build their own rides. It was complete anarchy. No rules, no speed limits, just pure fun. So we started developing an idea of me running a dangerous theme park. Here we go.
Is he gonna be okay?
He's fine. Ready?
This place should be closed down.
I know you're in real trouble. I don't want to know the nature of your problem. But you have to understand, I've said goodbye before to people I love.
Yeah, whatever did happen to Dad?
Sit down. I've seen you be $500,000 up.
I've been up $2.5 million.
What'd you put away?
Nothing.
You get up $2.5 million. Any asshole in the world knows for the rest of your life, that puts you at a level of fuck you. Somebody wants you to do something, fuck you. Boss pisses you off. Fuck you. A wise man's life is based around fuck you. If I give you this money and you don't pay me back, there are no rules. You get up, you get out. What do you want to be able to say to me? I have a car and a house, and it's all paid for.
Fuck you.